Welcome guys in this video. So the topic is what is data. I want you to know that collected observations about something is data. This something, this right here written something can be anything you can think of. Okay, so let me just get you an idea. This something can be names of students in a classroom, names of your friends, name of your relatives, their ranks, how much you like them, things like that. You can think of anything and you make observations of them and you write down on somewhere at a keypad, at a separate sheet, and in the Excel or wherever you can write. It is your data. And I just want you to remember this definition of data: collected observations about something, where something can be anything you can think of. And and why this anything can matter, right? So this anything will be the thing you will take care of. Okay, so you want to take care of something, so you take observations on them and record them somewhere, right? So this is all about data, and we will just dive deep into this topic, and I will just get it into your home, this topic: statistics and probability.